A black stork, although considered a typical forest species, needs wetlands with small and shallow ponds where it can feed. It feeds mainly on fish that account for up to 80% of its diet. Another large group of birds nesting in the crowns of trees are birds of prey that are active during the day. The largest domestic bird of prey in the hawk family is the white-tailed eagle. Its wingspan reaches 240 centimeters. It chooses old, tall trees near lakes, breeding ponds, dam reservoirs, and rivers to build its nest.